Imagine a future where we can reverse damage in the human brain caused by rare genetic disorders. Well, that future is no longer just a dream. It's happening right now. A groundbreaking study published in the journal Nature reveals a new way to repair brain cells damaged by a rare condition known as Timothy syndrome, using a cutting-edge drug known as an antisense oligonucleotide. Timothy syndrome is an extremely rare genetic disorder caused by a mutation in a single gene. It affects brain development, heart rhythm, and other vital functions, often leading to severe disabilities and a shortened lifespan. Scientists have developed a synthetic genetic molecule, an antisense oligonucleotide, that can effectively rewrite how a cell produces proteins. This molecule targets the mutated gene and replaces the faulty protein with a healthy version, essentially bypassing the genetic defect. So, in laboratory experiments, neurons carrying the Timothy syndrome mutation were, treated with this new drug. And the results, well, the damaged brain cells began to develop normally, a transformation once thought to be, impossible. According to Dr. Huda Zoghbi of Baylor College of Medicine, Dr. Huda Zoghbi, it's the beginning of a new era for many of these diseases that we first thought were untreatable. The implications go far beyond Timothy syndrome. This same technology could potentially be adapted to treat a wide range of neurological and developmental disorders, including schizophrenia, epilepsy, ADHD, and autism spectrum disorder. This innovation could redefine how we approach genetic diseases, not just treating symptoms, but correcting the cause at the cellular level. The age of brain cell restoration has begun. If you're fascinated by how science is changing the future of medicine, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay curious and stay informed.